Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to do a little update on the interior of this Miata. As you can see, there's no more tan. We've converted it completely to black. So let's get into that right now. Here are some pictures from what the interior looked like before when we got the car. You can see the seats are trashed, the carpet is trashed, everything's tan. We were not happy. So we decided the best course of action was to strip everything down and convert it over to black. Fortunately, we hadn't started filming yet, but here are some pictures so you can see. We started off with a new set of black carpet as well as a new dashboard that we picked up locally, and eventually we added the NB1 center console as well as the aftermarket seats that we picked up. So after that, the only thing we had left were these old, dirty, rundown door cards, which we are currently converting over to a new carbon fiber style fabric. So the first step was to remove the door cards. Once the door cards are removed, we start stripping them down, removing the speaker grills, any trim panels, or any window molding, and basically get it down so that we can peel the fabric back and remove that from the old door cards. Once that's removed, you'll see a small layer of padding, and then you can start by applying your adhesive and then stretching out your new fabric over the door card. Once that's done, you basically go one section at a time, rinse, repeat, and go from there. So some of the harder parts were this armrest section here. Getting that to stick was very difficult, and I'm still kind of working out a final solution for that. But other than that, it's just rinse, repeat, cover the whole door card, and keep yourself moving in one section to another. At the end, we decided that we were going to do a quick job and just spray paint our speaker covers to make them all black and match. And then you come out with a interior looking like this. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching this video. You've got to see what we've done in the interior so far. You can see how far it came. No more tan, all black. You might notice that the top is still tan. So the top, we do have a black replacement top. It will be done sometime over the winter. We also have some headlights and a bumper. We're going to start getting into the exterior once the interior is done. The last thing on the interior is to do a rear center console setup, probably something custom. I'll definitely put a video out on that. But other than that, feel free to like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.